Joining us now is Lindsay Penrose, and she's a certified Medicare specialist, and she's been on before. She's with Benefit Reps of America, and that's a locally owned family business that took the experience that they got working for Social Security and started their own company so that they could work for you. You've probably heard their commercials on television and on the radio. And Lindsay is second generation at Benefit Reps. Her dad's there too, and he's got a lot of experience. She grew up learning to help people and is now a local certified Medicare specialist. As I said, she's licensed with all major insurance companies in the Rochester area. She helps clients take advantage of benefits, and she helps you do things like compare coverage. But the other thing I think I was impressed with is that she stays in touch with me all year, and she tells me about things that are changing or things that might benefit me. Something that just happened to me recently was a big benefit to me, and I wouldn't even have thought about it if she hadn't told me. So I wanted to share her with you listeners and tell you, to check it out. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking here. She's here to tell us about the affordability of healthcare with Medicare Advantage plans, which is what I have. Welcome back to the show, Lindsay. And how's it going today?
Hi, Joanna. I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. And I guess we'll start with the basics. Want to tell people, because you do it in a good way, what is Medicare and who does it cover exactly?
So, Medicare is health insurance for those 65 and older and also on Social Security disability. We focus on the Medicare Advantage plans, and the Medicare Advantage bundles your Part A, Part B, and usually Part D coverage into one plan. Plans may offer extra benefits that original Medicare doesn't cover, like vision, hearing, and dental services.
Well, those are quite a few things, and I know the Medicare Advantage plans help to drive down healthcare costs because you help me do that. Tell folks how that happens.
So many clients come to me in fear, kind of like you did, Joanna, and they're afraid of what I'm about to show them as their options for a Medicare Advantage plan. Many have the misconception that these plans are going to cost them a lot extra on top of what they're already paying for Social Security with their Part B. What many don't realize is that adding these plans can cost little to no extra. And what I mean by that is some plans can even give back towards your Part B premium. Medicare Advantage plans pride themselves on lowering the cost sharing requirements.
So, what carriers do you represent? I know you said the majority in Rochester.
Yeah, we represent Excelis, Highmark, and Univera, which are all part of Blue Cross Blue Shield, as well as United Healthcare, Aetna, MVP, WellCare, and Humana. And if you're listening over towards the Buffalo area, we also do Independent Health.
Well, that kind of covers it, I think. Those are most of the ones I've ever heard of. So why might someone want to schedule an appointment? And, even if they already have a current plan, and are there fees for your service? You should mention that as well.
So my main goal when I help a client set up their Medicare is to give them a plan with the best coverage and lowest cost. And on top of that, there's no cost for our service. Medicare clients never pay us a penny. You give us all the info and we do all the research.
Excellent. And I think that's a great thing to realize, people, that you can go there, talk to her, get a comparison. To me, it's like going to a doctor, get a second opinion. It doesn't matter if you've had the same plan for 10 years. Who cares? Go and see what else is out there. And Lindsay is a great way to do that. So thank you, Lindsay. Tell folks how they can find you.
So you can stop in and visit me. I'm located right next to Red Lobster in Greece on West Ridge Road. You can call me at 585-663-6333 or visit our website, sssareps.com, and you can actually schedule an appointment directly on there.
Well, yeah, and it's cool that you can just pop in, right? You don't actually need an appointment, it sounds like. So that's good to know. And I wanted to mention, too, that there's certain things, there's so many different parts of these plans that having someone like you to call and ask about it is it's invaluable to me. I mean, it's just it's like having someone that takes care of a very important part of our life, especially at this point in my life. All of the things that I'm doing, and I mean, I've had 2 hip replacements. I think a knee one's in my future. Dr. Wagner, hello. And, so having you help me to make sure I'm making the right decisions it really does save you money and time. So, what do you get out of it?
So I love the satisfaction of helping people when they see the difference in their finances with the plan I help them set them up with. That's when they are so thankful that they found me. So if you're struggling with the cost of your health insurance plan and you just want to shop around, you don't even have to change. If you just want to see what's out there, see how to save money, that's what I'm here for.
Yeah, and she's not kidding because I do talk to her on a regular basis, and I did have a few things happening lately. Yep, there's dentists, all those other things that are involved. I've had vision, and I have a great plan, by the way. And I think it is because Lindsay has helped me, and Benefit Reps of America can help you. And also, they do Social Security, right? I mean, your dad has been doing that for a long time. So I didn't want to neglect saying that if you have questions about that, that's not your particular area, right, Lindsay? But your dad and several other folks there have worked at Social Security, and now they're working for you, right?
Yep, that's correct. We do Social Security, Disability, and SSI. So if you're looking to apply or you've been denied, you can give us a call. We have certified representatives right in our office. We'll take you through the process, and we'll get you your win. If we believe in your case, we'll take you through the whole process, and we're there from start to finish.
Yeah, it's like you're not attorneys, but you act almost like attorneys by supporting and going right into court with folks, right?
Right, they're certified right through Social Security. This is a process that our non-attorney representatives go through, and they're qualified to take you right in front of a judge for that hearing.
Excellent, folks. You have to call Benefit Reps of America, talk to Lindsay, her dad, or anybody else there. They're all really good. You can go to ssareps.com or again, 633-6333. Hard to forget that one. Thank you, Lindsay. We'll have you on again. Have a great rest of your weekend.
Bye, Joanna. Thanks for having me.